Up and Down 3000. The manufacturers of this jack didn't bother with the fancy name. They simply called it Up and Down 3000. Their focus was on understanding the needs of a car enthusiast. As a result, this 19-kilogram jack can lift cars weighing up to 3 tons, with the ability to lift both the front and rear axles, including side braces. Additionally, if a quicker lifting process is needed, it can be accelerated using a drill. The price of this jack is $639. Snap-on EPIQ EUV. This Snap-on company, renowned for its high-quality tools, has taken tool cabinets to the next level with the introduction of the EPIQ series. Priced at $35,000, these cabinets are not just storage solutions, they're mobile workstation. The average EPIQ cabinet features robust 14 or 17 inches wheel with brake. Capable of supporting up to 7.2 tons, the storage design is meticulous for versatile storage, measuring 157.5 centimeters. While it provides ample and space functionality, the question of whether it justifies the price remains. RYOBI Link. The Japanese company RYOBI has unveiled a revolutionary system called RYOBI Link, designed to organize tools and small items in a way that it evolves with the user's skills. The system allows users to continuously enhance and customize it as they progress from the hobbyist to establishing a fully equipped workshop. RYOBI Link utilizes universal fastening components for hanging drawers, shelves, hooks, and other items. Some elements like the drawers are portable for on-the-go work. However, it's important to note that RYOBI Link comes with significant costs, with a single container with a 36 kilogram capacity priced at $60. Winntec Wheel Assist. The Gather Tool Company presents a specialized rack designed for tire and trucking businesses. Positioned at the convergence of these industries, this rack is tailored to facilitate the removal, storage, and installation of wheels. With the capacity to handle wheels weighing up to 60 kilograms, the rack features a user-friendly design without the need for complex hydraulic, pneumatic, or electrical components. It generates a convenient built-in mini ramp for added functionality. The Gen 2 of this version is available for purchase at $1,165. Sewinfla Portable Inflatable Paint Booth. The Chinese company Sewinfla has established itself as the global leader in manufacturing inflatable paint booths. They provide a 12 by 5 by 4 meter model for $1,658. This boot is constructed from 210D Oxford fabric and includes built-in hooks for lamps. The package includes 2 blowers, the first one for inflating the boot and the second for ventilation. Setting up the boot is a quick task, requiring only a team of 2 people and a few minutes. Nederman. Nederman is widely recognized for its air purification systems, earning a place in one of Europe's largest automobile engine plants. The good news is that Nederman's systems are also accessible to small workshops. The company emphasizes the critical importance of air purification, highlighting that even a single idling engine in a room can rapidly create a dangerous buildup of exhaust emissions. To address this concern, Nederman offers a system that effectively eliminates exhaust, dust, welding fumes, and other hazardous mixtures. They provide both mobile and stationary systems, known for their reliability, to the extent that even firefighters and paramedics use them. To give you an idea of their popularity, There are already 100,000 Nederman units installed in emergency rooms alone. Hedson IRT PowerCure. The Swedish company Hedson Technologies AB is widely recognized in the automotive restoration and painting industry for producing lamps under the IR brand. Placing these lamps in a paint booth provides triple advantage. Firstly, these compact lamps free up more space for professionals. Secondly, the lamp control systems with microprocessors effectively manage power and usage time, ensuring each lamp lasts over 20,000 hours. Thirdly, these lamps are fixable on special rails, making them adaptable to nearly any paint booth. In terms of efficiency, it takes only 4 minutes to cure the base coat, such as on a car hood for example. VYPER Robust Steel Pro. Statistics indicate that around 80% of employees in US companies work in seated position, leading to the development of this stool as a response. Unlike chairs with numerous adjustments, this tool prioritizes simplicity. It maintains a fixed height of 48 centimeters and does not offer adjustability. However, the manufacturers claim that it is suitable for individuals of any height and build, ensuring the user's legs maintain an optimal 90-degree angle. This tool with 10 cm diameter wheels for easy mobility. This tool is available for $395. 911 Soundbar 2.0 Pro. Porsche enthusiasts with an appreciation for high-quality sound may find the $1,300 price tag worthwhile. This audio system, designed to replicate the original exhaust system of the Porsche 992 GTR, is produced as a limited edition of 500 units. With a powerful output of 300 watts and support for Dolby Atmos and DTS HD, it delivers top-notch audio. Connecting to your devices is seamless through Bluetooth 5.0 or HD ports. Weighing 65 kilograms, this piece of engineering excellence can be hung on the wall or placed on the included stand for added convenience. AppTech. These air jacks, aptly nicknamed Snowman due to their distinctive shape, stand out for their robust lifting capabilities. Unlike a traditional snowman with a carrot nose and a bucket hat, these jacks can handle loads of several tons. For example, one of these jacks can lift 2.5 tons of height of 385 mm, while more robust counterparts can endure 6 tons, providing a maximum lift of 400 mm. You can purchase one of these jacks for $26. Mobile car repair service. Out on the roads in China, repairmen are on the move, reaching their next customer with the help of an amazing truck. This vehicle serves as a mobile workshop, and its standout feature is a foldable 3-ton lift. These lifts are produced by the EAE company, a prominent Chinese provider for such equipment. MULE Garage Fan for Mobile Workshop. The creators of MULE offer a solution to beat the heat in your workshop or garage for only $220. This fan can circulate air at a speed of 85 cubic meters per minute, and it comes with a 2.4 meter long cable for convenient installation. The MULE is easy to install, requiring just 2 self-tapping screws. If you need to move the fan frequently, you can use the stand, which can also double as a hand truck. In its top version, it comes with a light and extension cord and a toolbox. Gladiator all refrigerator and upright freezer. The creators of the Gladiator storage system take a unique approach by offering not just cabinets and shelves, but also refrigerators and freezers. What sets them apart is that these are the only models in the industry that you can open by stepping on a pedal. The refrigerator and freezer both have the capacity of 500 liters and share the same dimensions, measuring about 78 centimeters in width and 184 centimeters in height. Interestingly, the manufacturers are selling both the refrigerator and the freezer for the same price of $1,440 each.